Okay, another statistical functions that we have is a count. Okay, so Excel count function returns the count of values that are numbers, generally cells that contain numbers. Okay, so values can be supplied as constant, cell references, or range. Okay, so the purpose of this function to count numbers only. Alright, and then the return value, okay, will count on numeric values. Okay, so how we want to write this syntax? Okay, you can refer to the PowerPoint here. Okay, we start with an equal, count, the name of the function, and then inside the parenthesis is an argument. Okay, so argument 1, okay, is an item, cell reference, or range. Okay, and then argument number 2 is an optional. Okay, also you insert an item, cell reference, or range. Okay, so how we want to use this count? Okay, so we move to our spreadsheet here. Okay, please click function grid worksheet here. So now I want to show it to you how we want to use a function count to count how many students inside this list. Okay, total of students here. Okay, so you've still the same, okay, as the previous functions. Okay, you need to select the cell that you want to contain the function. Okay, so this time, okay, I want to show it to you how okay, we use the auto sum button. Okay, so but this time I want to use a home tab. Okay, inside the editing group, auto sum, you click the drop down menu. Okay, and then can you see there is one option that is a count numbers. Okay, so when you click this count numbers, alright, you will select, there will Excel will automatically, okay, select, okay, from B3 until B17. Okay, and then when you press enter, automatically they will calculate. Okay, there is 15 students inside this list. Okay, that's why, as I said earlier, okay, the return value of this function, they will return the count of numeric values. Okay.